If you've not heard of Notion before, it is basically a note-taking software platform designed to help members of companies or organizations manage their knowledge for greater efficiency and productivity. It also lets you create personal systems to manage your life, which I believe is why it is loved by many. This video is to let you know the amazing benefits you can see using Notion and hopefully convince you to start using Notion to manage your personal growth journey. Let's go! P.S. I definitely did not read that intro off Wikipedia. Or maybe I did. Oops, sorry. Learning Notion is easy, but difficult to master. There are many guides online that are looking to help beginners get used to Notion. Ray Gregory, Chris Notion, and Tom Frank are two good channels to check out if you're really keen to learn. Learning the basics will allow you to create your first Notion workspace and then expand from there as you get more familiar with Notion. Whenever you hear people talking about no-code tools, you usually will hear Notion. This is because Notion is widely adopted by many no-code users to build process flows for their everyday lives or even in their business. Personally, I've been using Notion to manage my personal finance, programming notes, projects, content curation processes, and template maintenance. But that's for me. I've seen people like Ali Abdaal and many others who's using Notion to manage their businesses, which is amazing to see. I think this has been widely popularized by many, and even though I do not believe that selling digital templates can replace your 9 to 5 job, you can still make a small amount of income just by sharing your templates with people. I began selling my templates in March this year, and as of November, I've sold 1500 worth of digital templates. It's not life-changing money, but hey, can't say no to more money, right? As you create your own personal workflow within Notion, you can then market out to places such as Gumroad and then sell them to make some extra cash to buy that shiny PS5 that you've been dreaming to get. Or be like me and spend it on food. So there you have it. With Notion growing and the increasing demand of no-code tools, Notion is definitely one software that you should have under your tool belt. As I always like to say, you'll never know if you never try. If you enjoyed this video or found this video helpful, you might want to consider hitting that subscribe button, where I will share tips and tricks of Notion and also share guides on building your own personal workspaces. Till then, I'll see you guys around. See ya!